बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज से हम असिस्टेंट की तैयारी का आगाज़ करने जा रहे हैं। जो पहले हम कर रहे थे सब्जेक्ट, वो भी इंशाल्लाह ताला करेंगे। आज हम जनरल नॉलेज के पोर्शन के अंदर एशिया को देखने जा रहे हैं। इसके अंदर 28 सवाल हैं। इंशाल्लाह ताला वो सब आज कवर करेंगे। पहला एशिया is the world largest continent of the 7 continent in size and population. Next, Asia covers 1/3 of Earth's surface. Next, it has 30% of world land area and 60% of population. Next, it contains the world largest country, Russia, and the world two most populous countries, China and India. Next, Asia houses the highest point on Earth, the summit of Mount Everest, which is 29028 feet or 8848 meter tall. Next, the continent is home to the 10 highest peak in the world. The Great Wall of China is only man-made structure that can be seen from space. Next, Asia saw the birth of two great ancient civilization, Harappa civilization or Chinese civilization. Next, the religion of Hinduism, Islam, Buddhism, Christianity first began in Asia. Next, the major animals found in Asia are reticulate python, tiger, panda, yaks, Indian rhino. Next, Asia is the largest continent. Next, the land area of Asia is 44.58 million kilometer. Asia population is equivalent to 59.76% of the total world population. Next, the population density in Asia is 150 per kilometer. Next, the total land area of Asia is 3103131 kilometer. Next, according to the United Nations, there are 48 countries. Next, there are 3 dependencies in Asia: Taiwan, Hong Kong, and Macau. Next, there are 12 landlocked countries are Asia. Next, there is one double landlocked country is Asia, Uzbekistan. Next, Uzbekistan is surrounded by Afghanistan, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Tajikistan, and Turkmenistan. Next, Uzbekistan. Next, the largest country of Asia by area is Russia. The largest country of Asia by population is China. The smallest country of Asia by area and population is the Maldives. Next, the largest city in Asia by population is Tokyo. Tokyo का कैपिटल है जापान का. The largest river is Asia, Yangtze, China. The largest mountain in Asia is Mount Everest between Israel and Jordan. The biggest lake in Asia is Caspian Sea, shared by 5 countries: Russia, Turkmenistan, Kazakhstan, Azerbaijan, and Iran. Next है आज का आखिरी सवाल. The largest desert in Asia is Gobi Desert, across the border and of northern China and southern Mongolia. आज के लिए इतना, बाकी नेक्स्ट इंशाल्लाह ताला। अस्सलाम वालेकुम।